Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use a conditional operator, or this is also called ternary operator. So I'm gonna show you this in this video. So suppose you have this event and there is two way you can get in. If you are a member, then the ticket price is $10. If you are not a member, then the ticket price is $200. So for member, you can just save $190. So let's make that a function. So let's write function, and the function name can be event ticket, event ticket price. So it makes more sense. So here I'm gonna take some parameter like is member, and here I'm gonna return is member. I'm just gonna copy this one, and whether this is just asking whether you are a member or not. So the way you can use this, you can just use this, then the question mark, then you give it to output. So the first output is your ticket price is $10, and the second output is, let me just copy this one and paste it over here. The second price is your ticket price is $200. So the way this works is actually this is a condition, and if this is true, then it will you will have this output that your ticket price is $10. If you are a member, then your ticket price is $10. But if this is false, then the ticket price will be $200. So this depends on this. If it's true, then this will be the output. If this is false, this will be the output, and you have to give this sign between these two statements. So let's just run the function in the console log. So I'm just gonna write console.log, and here I'm gonna pass this one and say yes, this is true. So if I just save it right now, I should see your ticket price is $10 because I have set the condition true. So let's just save this one, and here you can see your ticket price is $10. And if I just copy this one and make this one false, then we should see this statement here for this line of code. So we should see here this line as well. So let's save this one, and your ticket price is $200. So let me change this one a bit. I am a member, and this one will be not a member. So you can see I'm getting this one for the true value and this one for the false value. So you can use this type of conditional or ternary operator in your project if you want to have a value true or false. You can just write it like this, put the question mark over here, and give two result. For the true one, you give the first result is for the true one, and the second statement is for the false one, and you will get the output like this. So I guess you understand this. This is pretty easy and basic stuff. We'll be seeing these things a lot when we are dealing with real projects. That you will get that also in my YouTube channel, so don't worry. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.